Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another arithmetic expression, and that is a burn the candle at both ends. Burn the candle at both ends, which means you try to do too many things in too short period of time to get them done. इसको हम उर्दू में सुबह से शाम तक काम करना कह सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like CSS candidates burn the candle at both ends to get flying numbers in their examinations. So we have used here burn the candle at both ends. Here is another sentence or situation. We need to burn the candle at both ends to finish this task before the time. So once again we have used here burn the candle at both ends. So this is how we are going to use this idiom in the sentences or situations.